Hello, hi everyone. My name is Tomai Sekesek, and this is day 92 of my 100-day challenge to start English on my own and share my progress with you every single day. Yesterday, we talked about English for remote work. Today, let's focus on one of the most important professional skills: writing polite and professional emails in English. Because in the online world, your words are your first impression, and they can open or close doors. Part 1. Why email tone matters. When you write an email, so the words you choose send the message. Are you being respectful? Are you being confidently? Are you being friendly or too directly? For example, send me the report. Sounds like a command. Could you please send me the report when you have a moment? Sounds polite and cooperative. Tone builds trust, and trust builds opportunities. Part 2. Phrase to sound polite and professional. Here are some expressions that instantly make your emails sound more natural and professional. To start, I hope this email finds you well. I'm ready to follow up on. Thank you for your quick response. To make requests, could you please? Would you mind sharing? I'd appreciate it if you could. To give updates or information. Just a quick note to let you know. Please find attached. Please find attached. As discussed, here's the document. To hand politely. Looking forward to hearing from you. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. Kind regards, best regards. The secret is be clear, kind, and concise. Part 3. Common mistake to avoid. Even advanced learners make these mistakes. 1. Using slang or informal phrases like "Hey guys" or "Cheers" in business emails. 2. Writing long paragraphs without structures. Always separate your ideas. 3. Forgetting to proofread. One type can change the meaning of your message. Remember, good writing is not about being perfect, it's about being understood. So, next time you write an email in English, take a second to check your tone, structure, and clarity. Small details show professionalism, and that's what makes people remember you. If this video was helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who uses English at work, and subscribe for more daily lessons. See you tomorrow for day 93 of the challenge.